Good day, this is Rita Davids, your tutor for English and Academic Communication Skills for the courses DJPE, DPPE, DES and BESP, Year 1 Semester 2, the assignment-based content class for 2018. Welcome. Welcome to the study of English and Academic Communication Skills. This is Module 2, studied in the second semester. The module will consolidate your knowledge of all aspects of the teaching of English as a second language. Time required. The module carries 12 credits, which will take roughly 120 hours, about 30 hours per unit, of study to complete. The assignment is meant to prepare you for the examination, so it is very important. Exit learning outcomes. Upon completion of this module, students should be able to describe and practice linguistic constructs, analyze and demonstrate how to write different types of writing, clarify and apply academic writing conventions, demonstrate the use of the APA referencing system in text and reference lists. Study support available. There is no prescribed books for this module. The study guide is the only guide which will take you through the study material. It is essential that you devote sufficient time to studying the content of the module to ensure that you have solid knowledge of what the course is about and how to use it to facilitate the learning of the subject material. Assessment policy. One assignment of 120 marks will be submitted for this module. A pass mark of 50% is required in this assignment to get admission to the examination. The examination question paper will have the same format as the assignment. It will count for 120 marks and have 2.5-hour duration. A final pass mark of 50% is required, 60% of the written examination plus 40% of the assignment or semester mark. Verbs thinking processes. Very important. Please pay attention to the verbs used in the assignment. These will guide you to what action you are expected to perform. Failing to perform the correct action will result in low marks or the loss of valuable marks. The same caution applies to the examination as well. Assignment. The assignment for 2018 consists out of 4 questions with subsections and has a total of 120 marks. From each unit, questions were set. Please make sure that you answer all questions. There are no optional questions. Answers must be numbered in the same order as the given questions. You are expected to type or write on one side of the page to make marking easier. If you use a computer, read through your work carefully to check for spelling or typing errors. Staple separate pages of the assignment in the left top corner. Clearly number the questions and subsections. Number the pages. Write the title of the assignment on the cover. Clearly write your name and student number on the cover. Do not staple assignments for different subjects together. Follow all the instructions for assignments carefully. The due date for your assignment is 15 January or 15 June 2018. Please note that you must only do the 2018 assignment. Previous year's assignments will not be marked. Very important, if you were enrolled after January 2018 and submitted your assignment for the first semester in June 2017, be sure to get the 2018 assignment for your second semester to be submitted in January 2018. Learning outcome and content. You are strongly advised to ensure that you complete all the learning activities given and not to cheat on them. First complete them on your own and then use the answers provided to mark your responses. The answers to all the learning activities are found at the back of the module. All students have the Kindle. That is why I give references. For instance, Unit 3, 3.5. on where to find the information on the Kindle. Assignment for 2018. The following is what you will get in the assignment. Unit 1. The W questions in the DPPE and the BESP books 3.5. You must compile questions related to the given passage. Use the given words such as what, which, where, when, who, and why. The antonyms in the Lutheran book for the DPPE and the BSP and the BESP students. You must find the antonym for the given word in the passage. Prepositions. Use the given prepositions to complete the sentences. Types of nouns. Choose the type of noun to suit the different words given. Study your nouns for the DJPE and the DSE students in your study guide 1.1.2.2 and for the DPPE and the BESP students in the Lutheran book. Tenses. Give the past tense for the given words. The study guides for the DJPE and DSE students 1.4 and the DPPE and the BESP students in the Lutheran book. Prefix and suffix. You have to underline and then rewrite or circle the prefix and suffix in each word. For example, for especially, you will underline the E for the prefix and the LY for the suffix. Study this in your study guides. Sentences. Words are given with which sentences of your own must be written. Unit 2, the apostrophe. Your DJPE and your DSE for the reference is 2.4.1 and DPPE and the BESP students in the Lutheran book. You must explain how the apostrophe can be used. Then you must rewrite the sentences given using words with an apostrophe. Visual literacy. See this in the DJPE and DSE book 2.8, DPPE and the BESP students in the Lutheran book. You must define the value of visual literacy. Official business and personal or friendly letters. Study this and then point out the differences between the two. Then you will have to write a letter. See the references for your study guides. Unit 3. Progress reports. You must only look at progress reports as used in daily life, not as you use it in school. Summarizing techniques. In the DJPE and the DSE books 3.6.1 and DPPE and BESP in the Lutheran book. This is when you want to produce a summary. A book review. DJPE and DSE 3.4.5.5 and DPPE and BESP students in the Lutheran book. What you will look for in a book to write a good review. Unit 4. Plagiarism. DJPE and DSE is on page X11 and the DPPE and the BESP students, you will find yours on page 8 in your study guides. Be sure you understand this term. And then the APA format, you will find it in your study guides. Explain what it is and understand the in-text citations. The general remarks on the answering of your assignment. You are now on the verge of becoming professionals. As a professional person, you must make sure that the assignment you hand in has the appearance of a professional document. You cannot hand in an assignment written on a piece of paper that was torn out of a scribbler. Make sure that the paper you write on is neatly cut and without any grease marks. You can also use the paper provided by IOL. Try to use your best handwriting and do not draw lines through or use typex on the words that you first misspelled or you decided not to use. A good idea is to first write your assignment on an odd paper and decide how you want to do it. Then rewrite it on a neat paper in your best handwriting. Write only on one side of your paper. If you type your assignment, please read through it very carefully before you print it. Some computers have an automatic spell check and sometimes changes words automatically. This is very important, especially for the language structure questions. Start each question by writing question 1 and underline it before starting to answer it. That always helps you not to get confused with the different questions and is a good way to help you not to misread the question and give the wrong answer. Draw a line underneath each question and start the next question as was described above. It is important to number your pages so I can see if pages are missing by the time your assignment gets to the tutor. Not only number your pages, but also write your name and student number on each page. Working together with other students and sharing ideas helps you with your assignment. You must, however, not just copy answers from each other. This often results in giving wrong answers. This can also result in committing plagiarism. To the student, if you need my help on something, contact me on my email address below. If you state what you do not understand or ask a question, I can give you a well-constructed answer. Good luck and all the best for this course. Your tutor, Rita Davids.